Hi everybody, it's Marcy, and I'm here with a quick show and tell for Cara Brandon's newest digital. It's called Blushing Blooms, and I've got it all printed off. I printed it incorrectly, so I'm going to need to go back and print again. But we've got so many. This is such a pretty, delicate feeling journal, very spring kit. Sorry, not journal. Just very, very pretty. So I wanted to do a quick flip through. See, I accidentally printed everything double-sided. So, love the big butterfly there. But look at all the floral, and got a little bit of lace happening here. All with a very kind of mixed media look. The frames with the flowers. Here we've got a cameo in pink. Love the tulips here, and another I guess those are tulips. I think they just about have to be. And another frame here. Here we've got a writing page. Oh. Sorry. I keep forgetting it's double-sided. Okay, so here we've got the frame and the flowers. Here we've got some birds. I apologize for that. Here we've got some faintly printed text on sort of a cream background. And that I had printed on the reverse side of those flowers. Here we've got some lined paper with a little bit of typewriter. And then we've got ephemera. So I love the fact that we have some frames here. That'll be fun to use some acetate with, and some buttons and flowers. And a sales slip. And a cover. Looks like a songbook cover. That is love. And here we've got some large tags. And more large tags. Here we've got text on a light pink background, sort of a blush pink background. Here we've got the tags in a smaller version. And here we've got more ephemera pieces with more cameos and a butterfly, a ticket, and looks like another sales receipt, some labels, a little 5-cent ticket, and a little locket with a little key with a heart charm. And here we've got some sort of blush pink lined paper. It's really confusing me having all this printed on two sides. I really like this page too, with the frames, the bird in the frames, and the nest, and the butterfly in the frame, and then the flowers. And then more lined paper here. More of the mixed media kind of look. So anyway, that is Cara's new kit, Blushing Blooms. It's available in her Etsy shop, which I will have linked below. It is 50% off through Sunday, I believe. And so run over and get yours. And in my next video, I'm going to start working with this. I'm still working with my file folder folios, which I'm absolutely loving, but I've changed them up a little bit I've been playing with making the fold out flaps and stuff a little more interactive, so we'll have some fun with that. And so be sure to check back, and until then, please be safe, stay healthy, happy crafting, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.